Hi, everyone. My name is Bichen. I am with UC Berkeley, and today I'm very happy to be here to talk about a new algorithm or technology that we develop to enable the automated design of computationally efficient deep neural network for different hardware. So let's get started. I think I don't have to convince you about the importance of neural networks for embedded vision. We want to run neural networks locally and use them for embedded vision applications because we have so many privacy concerns, we have so many latency constraints, and sometimes we just don't want to afford the cost to put all the data to the cloud and do the computation and send them back. So, and all of those are relying on deep neural network. But one problem with deep neural network today is that they are computationally expensive, right? Take this model example, VG16, very classical model. 500 megabytes of parameters, very big memory footprint, and a lot of computation required for each inference on each image. Those are probably good for powerful GPUs, for data center clusters, but they are definitely not good for smartphones, embedded devices, and so on.